I absolutely love this question because, so often people come and say, how did you do it? And I always say to people, if the why isn't big enough, the how doesn't matter. Conversely, if the why is big enough, the how doesn't matter either. And, that's why I always encourage people, when you get started in this profession, you need to go and take some quiet time. You need to go and do this. And you need to write down and become very clear on your why, because if your why is not big enough, when the first obstacles come in your way, and it's not a case of if they do, it's a case of when they do. We all face our first hater at some stage. We all face our first rejections at some stage. All of us. The only difference between the $1 million earner and someone who hasn't made any network marketing is the $1 million earner had a big enough why to work through those phases, through those times where they encountered their first hater, or where they encountered the first doubter, or they got their first no. And so what carried me through is I was very fortunate. My why was my little daughter. My little daughter happened to be five meters down the passage from me. And all I had to do in the morning to find out why I was making those calls when I didn't feel like it, why I was going out at night when I didn't feel like it, all I had to do was poke my head into the room, look at her lying in a little bed, and I had a little boy at that stage as well. Obviously, he didn't know he was special needs then, but looking at these kids and going, okay, this is why I'm doing it. And so my why was right in front of me, and I think some people have to stretch a little bit further than that to find their why, but you need to find your why. If your why is not strong enough, you're probably not going to make it. But if your why is strong enough, man, nothing will stop you. Nothing will stop you. Nothing.
Trying to drown, yeah.